Hello class 9th. Today's topic is operator precedence. Okay. First priority is multiply, divide and modulus sign. Okay, and second priority is plus sign and minus sign. But we have to go from left to right. Now, let us solve some questions. This question. Six minus 2 plus 3 multiply by 2 modulus 3. Okay, now priority is this multiply sign at this both, but we have to go from left to right. Okay, now see, we will write 6 minus 2 plus, now we will solve this. It will come 6 modulus 3. Now next, now priority of modulus is higher than plus and minus, so we will solve first this. So we will write 6 minus 2 plus, and we will solve this. It will come 0. Now 6 minus 2 plus 0. Priority is same, but we will go from left to right. So it will come 4 plus 0. Answer will be 4. Next question. 5 divided by 2 multiply by 3 minus 1 plus 6. We will solve first this because priority is higher. But what will be the answer of this? This will come 2. Why? It is solved here. 2 will come because all are integers. So it will come 2 multiply by 3 minus 1 plus 6. Clear? Now priority of this is higher. Now we will solve this. Okay. So it will come 6 minus 1 plus 6. Now priority is same, but we will go from left to right. So it will come 5 plus 6. Answer will come 11. Next question. Now we will first solve the parenthesis. Okay, it will come 7 modulus 2 plus 3 modulus 4. First we will solve the parenthesis, this and this. Now priority of this is higher. Now we will solve this. So it will come, we will solve this. So remainder will come 1. Clear? Remainder will come 1 plus 3 modulus 4. Now priority of this is higher. Now what will come? There is a secret behind. Secret is that when we divide 4, when we divide 3 by 4, so remainder will come 0. This is the secret. So it will come 1 plus 3 remainder. Answer will be 4. Okay. Last question. Now priority of this and this both are same, but we will go from left to right. Now what will be the answer of this? Answer will become 9. Why? Secret is given here. 10. ठीक है, zeros are 0, so 9 will come remainder. Multiply by 2 minus 1 plus 5. Okay, minus 1 plus 5. Now priority of this is higher. Then first we will multiply 18 minus 1 plus 5. Now priority of both are same, but we will go from left to right. So 17 plus 5. It will come 22. Answer. Clear?